Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome back to another episode of Q&A Friday. Today's question is submitted by Deepika. Thank you Deepika for submitting your question to me. So her question is, what kind of online business do you have and what were the first steps you do to establish it? Those are very good questions. If you want to check Deepika out, her channel is Life Around NN, the twins. So she have a motherhood channel which she features her two adorable daughters, which they are twins. So I will link down her channel in the description if you would like to check her out. So for her first question, what kind of online business do I have? I have built 3 online businesses and all of them are very different in terms of products and in terms of business model. All 3 of them are dropshipping type of online business. So the very first online store that I set up was a furniture e-commerce store. So that online store only sells furniture and I only target Singapore market. So the second online business that I have built is a Shopify dropshipping store selling unicorn merchandise, which includes print-on-demands, which are the customized t-shirts, mugs, caps, and so on. And on that store, I was also selling AliExpress items which are dropshipped from AliExpress to my Shopify store. So I sell a variety of everything and anything unicorn. And lastly, my third online business that I've built is an eBay dropshipping business. So this one is solely targeted US market and I sell a variety of household items, kitchen items, hardware items and fitness items. I have a variety of product categories. So now we move on to the second question from Deepika. What were the first steps I took to establish my online businesses? So for this, I'm giving you 3 steps that I took to start building online business. So in year 2012, I took an e-commerce course because I have zero knowledge about e-commerce. I stumbled upon a term called dropshipping. So I was very intrigued by this business model and I started to do a lot of research on this topic and that is how I got started. And I tell myself that I need to make this work. I know that I can foresee myself doing dropshipping business because it's ideal for me. After determining that I need to do my dropshipping business, I went on to identify market needs. So that is my very first step to start building online business. And the second step I took was to determine what product to sell. There are so many products that you can sell online, but what are the best products to sell? So this second step, determining what to sell, is super important because we do not want to sell anything that doesn't convert or not in demand. So after determining on what to sell online, the next step is I proceed to searching for good and quality suppliers. Over 5 years of my online business experience, I have the hang of knowing how to find good suppliers. And building a good relationship with your supplier is super important. And a lot of businesses fail because they could not clinch a good deal with the supplier. So this step number 3 is really important as your first step of building online business. Don't forget to tune in to next Wednesday. I will share with you what are the best platforms to use for your online business. If you are interested to know what kind of product to sell online and the product ideas I have for you, you can check out my video here which will explain to you what are the best products to sell online. So make sure that you are subscribed to me here and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on when my next video is out. I will see you on my next one. Bye!